What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl, Florinda LaShay, and today I am going to talk about how to clean your old, dusty, and crusty faux locks. So the first thing we want to do is to fill up our sink or tub or any type of basin with hot water and shampoo. I'm using Design Essentials for this particular one, but you can use any type of shampoo. Preferably a cheaper one. And I'm just taking the shampoo and I'm mixing it around inside of the water, getting it all soapy. I am not going to pour the shampoo directly on the locks. Now I'm going to take the locks and submerge them into my hot and soapy water. Now I tried to do this with my hands in the beginning, but that water was extremely hot. So I ended up having to get one of my wooden spoons and use that to stir it. So I would recommend that you use some type of tongs or, something so that you will not burn your hands, baby, because this water is super hot. And you really want to submerge the hair in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure that you got all of the dirt and grime and daily wear out of that hair. So I did this for about 10 minutes. I ended up going in with my hands because I really wanted to make sure that I cleaned every single lock, and the spoon was not doing it for me. I wish I had some tongs, that way I could really get in there, but I just sucked up the pain and put my hands in there, girl. And it was hot, but I managed. And you can see all of the dirt that came out. Look at that. That water is murky. Now, some of that is shampoo, but some of that is dirt as well. And they smelled incredible when I got through washing them. After I shampooed the hair, I'm going to let all of the water out, and I'm going to try to get as much water out as possible so that I can go into the rinsing process. And I'm not going to put my stopper back in this time because I want the water to just flow through. So I'm going to run some warm, I think I used hot water for this process, or maybe warm water. And I'm just going to massage the water all throughout my locks to rinse them and let the water drain into my sink. So now that I'm done rinsing the shampoo out of my locks, I filled my sink back up with some hot water, and I'm using this really cheap conditioner, but it has an amazing smell and it works really well on synthetic hair. Not my hair, but synthetic hair. So I'm adding a generous amount of conditioner to the hot water, and I am going to do the same thing I did with the shampoo and mix everything around. I ended up adding a lot of conditioner because I really like the smell and I wanted these locks to be as soft as possible. I also let the hair sit in the conditioner and hot water mix for about an hour before I decided to take it out. Okay, so after you let it sit for a while, or however long you pretty much want to let it sit, 10 minutes will be okay. But I had other things to do, so I just let it sit for about an hour, and then I did the same thing as I did with the shampooing process, was rinse the hair out. And all I did, guys, was lay it out on a towel in my bathtub, and I let it dry throughout the rest of the day. That's it. And then my locks were ready to be retwisted, redone, fixed up, whatever you want to call it. And I do have a video showing you how I brought these crusty locks back to life, baby, because they were horrible. So be sure to leave a comment down below. Be sure to like this video. Be sure to check out my other videos pertaining to crochet braids, faux locks, or whatever the case may be. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you a part of the Beautiful People family. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this video helps you, because girl, we gotta save all of our coins. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, peace, love, and happiness. Bye-bye.